Have you told yourself, I need to learn Python more times than you can count, only to never start or give up after the first few lessons? Well, you're not alone. Whether it's a busy schedule, confusing tutorials, or just not knowing where to begin, many people struggle to turn that intention into real progress. Introducing the Complete Python Bootcamp, brought to you by the Industry Portal. This course is a comprehensive, beginner-friendly course designed to take you from zero experience to a confident Python developer, ready to build real-world applications and stand out in today's competitive tech landscape. Whether you're here to explore programming for the first time, switch careers, build powerful tools, or just learn something new and valuable, this course is built for you. Inside this course, you'll get lifetime access to over 26 hours of high-quality, carefully structured video content. You'll also get access to real-world projects, hands-on exercises, and a dedicated support team ready to help you anytime you get stuck. We start right at the beginning, setting up your environment, understanding what Python is, and writing your very first line of code. From there, we explore all the essential building blocks: variables, data types, strings, lists, dictionaries, loops, functions, and much more. You'll master the core of Python through a practical, learn-by-doing approach. And then we take things further. You'll work on 6 exciting, beginner-friendly projects that reinforce your learning: a number-guessing game, a shopping list application, a fitness tracker, and even classic games like rock, paper, scissors, and hangman. We then dive into more advanced Python features like object-oriented programming, error handling, decorators, generators, and so much more. You'll build a fully functioning casino game, a restaurant management system, and learn how to build graphical user interfaces using tkinter. But we don't stop there. We tackle web scraping, data visualization with Plotly, interactive dashboards using Dash, and working with file formats like CSV and PDF, as well as databases and powerful modules from the Python standard library like collections and RE for regular expressions. This course is more than just learning Python theory. It's a launchpad to real-world skills. You'll walk away with the confidence to build your own programs, automate tasks, work with data, and even step into fields like web development, data science, or machine learning. So whether you're aiming to add Python to your CV, break into the tech industry, or just finally tackle that programming goal that you've been putting off, this course is your first step. Thousands of learners have already taken this course and transformed their skills. Now it's your turn. Enroll today and let's turn that goal into a skill set you'll carry with you for the rest of your life. Python is your gateway. This course is your start. I hope to see you inside the course.